We're out here in Beacon Hill. If you don't know where Beacon Hill is, it's right between Mexico Beach and St. Joe Beach. And we're on a street that's being newly constructed with all these cute cottages. So if you're looking for something cute and you want to get away and be a couple blocks to the most beautiful beaches, this might be the affordable one for you. Come take a look. You even have your own palm tree. Got a little front porch right here. You've got glass with a see-through door. Come in, look how cute it is. Look at these floors. They're absolutely beachy. I'm sorry, we got a chirper in here, so we're gonna get out of the wind here. But we have got, this has been newly completed. You've got these beautiful floors that flow all the way through that feel exactly like the beach. You've got beautiful countertops. Just look at all these brand new appliances, all of these cabinets. So not only do you have a breakfast bar, but come on this side, you've got a whole bank of cabinets here, a bank of cabinets here. We got the microwave combo, dishwasher, you know, double fridge. I love that they got a bright sunny sink right here. Look at the faucets. You got a big, nice, deep sink. In here, we've got a pantry that's got a beautiful barn door on it. You've got lots of space in there in this reach-in pantry. Come down this hall because we've got an AC closet right here. There you go. Everything, like I said, brand new. And here's your first guest room with a reach-in closet and a ceiling fan. Plenty of room. Washer dryer stack space right here. Panel boxes in here as well. You've got 2 bedrooms back here. So this is the primary bedroom. Just enough space to have a nice bed. You've got a nice ensuite bath with this one with 2 windows. You got 2 nice sunny windows. You've got his and her closets right here. Let me open that up and let you take a look. There you go. So you got one on this side and one on this side. Look at the showers. I mean, not only are they're fully tiled all the way to the ceiling, a great backsplash, beautiful, beautiful bronze with the black matte, not bronze, I meant black matte. You've got black matte hardware all throughout this. And you've got a bank of drawers here. You've got a separate water closet room there. And then at the end of the hall, we've got a guest room, but it's going to be using this bathroom. But look how big this is. Again, tile all the way to the ceiling, beautiful tile insert, lots of cabinet space here, beautiful fixtures and hardware on all the doors. These rooms are, you know, for a house this size, these rooms are fairly spacious. You've got enough room for everybody. I love that they did the glass lighting, all hurricane glass in the front door and the back door. So look down this hall. That light is just flooding down this hall all the way to the back. Obviously, the backyard is not all groomed out yet, but I want to show you what you've got. You've got a small porch here. You've got a fenced yard. They're going to be putting the fence panels back up. You've got an area to put a storage shed right here if you want to. You can even extend this patio back. You probably have enough room for a small plunge pool if you wanted to pull this up. But you've got a lot of room back here, and it feels real private. We're in the back of like Mexico Beach, St. Joe Beach, Beacon Hill, and all of this area back here is naturally wooded, so it just feels real peaceful back here, but all the while just being so close to the beach. You just can't believe it. So this one's going to be a good one. You're going to want to check it out. So if you want any details on it, just comment Live the Beach Life, but share it with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.